everyone. So today I am going for Abu Dhabi tour. So that person from Pakistan has come. His name is Jafri. So I am leaving for the tour right now. So today is 29th of May, Thursday. So it's a full day tour, Abu Dhabi tour, sharing basis. So I have just started from my hotel. So by a car, good car. So and we have to pick up some more people on the way. So before the departure point, that's what I have been doing from past 2 days. So it is a sharing basis, all packages here.
All air cargos coming. If someone need the parcel from air cargo, DHL, FedEx,
Okay.
and Aramex, other companies is available here.
Oh, okay.
Another side is a Dubai Terminal 2 is a domestic airlines.
Okay.
Terminal 2, Terminal 1 is domestic airline, and the Terminal 3 only for the Emirates.
Emirates. Okay.
Emirates is the local airline of the Dubai government.
Yeah.
It's a top 10 airline. Emirates is one of the good airline.
Thank you.
Now we are on the way. This is Sheikh Zayed Road.
Sheikh Zayed Road. Okay.
Sheikh Zayed Road means the father of the nation name, also Highness Sheikh Zayed Al Nahyan.
Okay.
And the rising day of the United Arab Emirates is the 2nd December 1971.
Okay.
And also they are the tool road.
Okay.
They have 6 toll gates on this road.
Okay.
Yeah.
आपका नाम sorry my
Myself, Jafri.
Jafri. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah. You sent me a message.
No problem.
Nice meeting you, Jafri bhai from
Me too, sir. Me too.
Faisalabad, Lahore.
Thank you.
I'm always happy to meet drivers from Pakistan because at least I can meet them here. I can't
Most
go to
welcome
Pakistan.
again, sir. I tell you, most welcome also. No problem. You are my best guest.
I heard that there is no lights on Sheikh Zayed Road. Is it correct?
Lights available.
So
See,
traffic signals. No traffic signals.
no traffic because the highway.
Okay. Highway.
That's why they put it the toll gates.
Okay.
Because you go through by through.
Oh, okay. No
That's
traffic.
why they put it the toll gate also.
Oh, okay.
And no one disturbs
So
you.
this road connects to all 7 Emirates, right?
Yeah.
This also goes to Muscat or only 7 Emirates?
They connect to the also other highway going to the Muscat.
Okay.
Or other. If you are going in this Sheikh Zayed Road, you can take exit Ras Al Khor exit.
Okay.
One of the road name Ras Al Khor. The highway name is 66.
Okay.
You connect to the Ras Al Khor. Ras Al Khor road will be connect to the Oman. Hatta Oman.
Oh, okay.
Hatta Oman road you can take and you go directly to Oman.
Okay.
Salala border.
Okay. Thank you. This is Al Muftum Bridge.
Yeah, Al Maktoum toll gate.
Toll gate,
also.
okay, yeah.
Toll gate.
Is it automatic toll gate?
Automatic toll gate. You see one of the champions.
Okay. How much it will deduct?
That time is 4 dirham.
4 dirham every
but
time.
The peak time 6 to 8 is 6 dirham.
Oh, okay. Al Ain, Jabal Ali, Abu Dhabi. This way.
Yeah, this is the way. Al Karama,
Hatta.
in the Bar Dubai.
Hatta is Muscat border, right?
Yeah, Hatta.
Okay. You can see Burj Khalifa from distance, but the sky is not clear, so that I don't know the reason.
Dusty weather today. Dusty weather.
Because of desert sand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Al Karama, a lot of community from Kerala
Okay.
and Tamil Nadu.
Mini Kerala.
Yeah,
Mini Kerala, yes.
Okay.
Sorry.
Hello.
You can see Dubai skyline.
Okay.
One of the skylines. There are 3-4 skylines. So this, and one marina is also big skyline. So this is Jumeirah going to Jumeirah and Abu Dhabi. Jumeirah is a place where locals live and where that
Seven
star.
picture also.
7 kings. Okay.
Yeah,
7 Emirates kings
Yes.
on one frame. In one frame. Sorry. Hotel Sheraton, Hotel Conrad.
Abu Dhabi, Dubai.
Yeah.
Sharjah, Ras Al Khaimah, Fujairah, Ajman, Al Quwain.
Oh, okay, nice. Even they have tried to include Qatar and Oman also.
No. It's
That-
only 7 kings,
Seven.
7 states.
Oh,
From all royal families belong to royal family. नहीं वैसे तो सर इधर 3 महीना में ब्रिज रेडी कर देते हैं ये लोग विद इन 3 मंथ प्रोजेक्ट इज रेडी बट समटाइम्स सम आर्किटेक्चर इज डिफरेंट एंड वेरी
future museum, the best. Yeah.
डिफिकल्ट
We are almost here, so just waiting for our bus to arrive to start our Abu Dhabi tour. Whole day Abu Dhabi tour. So from this Toyota vehicle, good vehicle, and we are shifting to that bus. So I have also accompanied by 2 passengers from Bangalore, couple. So shifting to this bus to Abu Dhabi. We have started our bus tour to Abu Dhabi. This is the main highway to Abu Dhabi. This is Abu Dhabi highway. So from front side I can't record video. That's why I'm taking the side view. It's good. These are tinted glasses. Bentley showroom, you can see. Today sky is bit clear compared to yesterday. Yesterday was full of dust or smog. Infrastructure is very good here, like metro, highways, but roads are always busy with full traffic. So better to take metros and tram and monorail.
Good morning everyone. Perfect. So guys, now we are on our last stop. From here we need to pick one more shuttle, and we have a restroom break here. After this we will take another restroom break after 1 hour 15-20 minutes. So if anybody wants to get down here for the restroom, and if anybody wants to go for the grab something for eat, there is a supermarket. You can go there, you can use the restrooms. And if you want to eat something, so you can just go there. We have 15-20 minutes break here. Then after we will proceed for the temple. Right? So the bus will depart from the same place. So it's a 20-minute stop, guys. The restroom break. Next stop we will take after 1 hour 15-10 minutes. It depends on the situation of traffic. We might face traffic on the way sometimes, you know. So you can use the restrooms.
We are having restroom break here for 20 minutes. You can see Dunkin Donut shop, pharmacy shop in a petrol station. There is one more restaurant like Philly, I don't know what it is, and Pope's Louisiana Kitchen and Golden Heart Burger, one more fast food shop giant, and car washing, oil change. So 3 car washing, 3 or 4 manual washing, automatic washing. And this is a supermarket, a big supermarket. And this is car parking for maybe for supermarket and other restaurants. This is Burger King. See, beautiful Burger King inside seating. This is a petrol station. So in Dubai, I came to know that it is 1 liter is like 75 Indian rupees. That means like 80 cents, not even $1. So it is good. That is Sheikh Zayed Road, Abu Dhabi, going to Abu Dhabi. So we are just parking adjacent to the main road. And this is a Zoom Koi supermarket. Everything is available here, like drinks, juices, Pringles.